sports stars are discussing about what they want to ask to VVS Lakshman.
When you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket?
VVS Lakshman. It has been wonderful. I was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Zaki. From the under 16 level itself, they made us play in under 19 grade the same year. It was huge leap for us for encouraging fortunately. By 18 I was on the verge of playing.
Who has been the biggest influence on you?
My parents, Dr. V. Shantaramam and Dr. V. Satyabhama. No doubt about that. Especially given the fact sports was never an internal part of our family. But the guiding philosophy which they thought was handling success and failure are the equal case. Treat success and failure on the same wavelength.
What did the sport teach you?
Character. To treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It also taught me to be very balanced, and obviously whatever I am today is because of cricket. Success and failure are parts of anybody's life. The key is self-belief and performing constantly in tough conditions. VVS Lakshman tells VV Subramaniam, one of the finished player in contemporary cricket, has called it a day.
What was the most difficult phase of your career?
It was when I had to prefer cricket to academies. That was the toughest moment of my life. Though there was always the dream to play for my country, I also had a natural desire to be a doctor, coming from a family of doctors. Luckily,
Do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern days young talent to make it as big as you did? Have things changed a lot in the rigor?
frankly, nowadays it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. There are many platforms for
From where did you draw the strength to image has the gained every time there was to affect a draw of your achievement?
my parents and my entire family again. They, along with my well-wishers, were always the source of inspiration. The best part is the never changed in irrespective of whether I was performing or not. The 37-year-old star batsman who was part of the fabulous batting.
What were your biggest moment as a cricketer?
There were many, but some stand out. Though I never played the World Cup that saw India as the number one team.
Which food do you like, sir? What are your hobbies?
I love to spend time with the members of my family. It gives so much of peace. I do love reading biographies of successful individuals, for they help us know how they handle different.
Which TV program do you love to watch?
Generally, I don't miss any big sporting events, and Wimbledon is one such that I love to watch without fail and with the family members. I do enjoy watching the singing and the dancing competition.
How different was Sourav Ganguly as a captain?
I must say that the combination of Saurav and the coach John Wright was influential in changing the mindset of Indian cricket itself. For it was then we started doing well consistently, especially abroad, and we had some amazingly talented individuals with the hunger for success.
What is your favorite cuisine?
I am a vegetarian. I love to taste all the sorts of dishes. Thai cuisines are my favorite.
When you look back, what were the reason for India become the number one side? Who are the cricketers whom you admire?
It is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation which had come in one year. It all started in early 2000 when Saurav Ganguly became the captain. I feel lucky to have played under Saurav. My first captain Sachin and MS Dhoni. They all led by example. Everyone was a true performer and all of them tried leader.
How do you play cricket?
This is the test match playing in Hyderabad. VVS Lakshman as a fielder. Sachin is batting. Saurav Ganguly as a captain. MS Dhoni as a wicket keeper. When he lost the catch, he says sorry to player. Thank you everyone.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
sir.
sir.